Hey guys, in today's video, I am listening to Millennial Money with 4 incredible YouTubers and entrepreneurs. They're talking about cryptocurrencies, Tesla, the stock market, real estate, kind of everything finance related. So we'll be listening to that, doing some Photoshop, playing some COD, getting used to mouse and keyboard, giving that a try. And this is all live streamed right on Twitch, BitterGalaxy 45, link down in the description. Hope you guys like the video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.
Gamers, how we doing? Let's get into it. Today, I want to work on some Photoshop. Maybe some banners, some panels, and maybe some other fun stuff. Maybe a little After Effects, Photoshop. Who knows? Maybe some games.
Week because like I go to some of the message boards on like Yahoo, like if I'm messing around one night, and like Corsair, like Tattooed Chef, whatever stock, and people would be like, this is our week, guys, it's gonna skyrocket this week, we're gonna go up big. And I'm just like who cares what happens this week? Like, it matters what happens over the next 3, 5, 7 years with these stocks. But
nobody wants to hear that, Chairman.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody wants their tendies now.
What's the one, either crypto and stock, whatever, that you really wanted to buy but you never bought it because you maybe thought it was too expensive, and then you ended up, it ended up going up a ton?
Amazon.
Sorry, let me just want to say real quick.
Tesla,
Google.
Yeah. I screwed that up.
Amazon and Google for me.
157 is the value of Apple, because apparently I have $1 invested in Apple.
Right. First, let me take a selfie.
The new buyer bought it, closed a few weeks later, and there was some sort of electrical fire that happened in the house.
Holy shit.
Half the house burnt down. And then that owner apparently got a big insurance claim from that, rebuilt the house, stayed there.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know where you and Kevin stayed in Detroit. Don't tell me you wouldn't have stayed.
Dude, those guys are nuts.
That's fair.
What happened when you guys went to Detroit, Kevin? I heard about this story once before, but I don't think that people really know.
Graham, Mr. Over 1 million subs at the time, is like, let's sort by lowest price.
In Detroit.
I didn't know.
Graham.
I mean, honestly, it seemed fine. Like, the place looked nice in pictures.
Come on,
bro. Fine. I honestly, I thought we were just.
What you
we're gonna stay
doing?
There. It's just a place to come and crash at night. We're gonna be gone all
the margins they have today. No
Bro,
way.
They've taken Tesla margin from like 18% to 24% if you adjust for the pandemic. It's insane. Elon projects margins will go to 30%, and I know that's projecting the future too, and that's fine. Margins can grow, but for an automotive manufacturer that's as young as Tesla is, the margins today are actually pretty freaking incredible, and they haven't even fully innovated or built out their other factories or scaled those yet. Then you jump over to the fact, I can't believe this. Okay, this is where I fall off my chair. Kathy Wood thinks when we get to autonomy, we could be at 40% margins at Tesla. I'm like, oh, wow, I have met somebody way more bullish than me.
If I'm on the fence about Tesla, is there anything you could say to convince me to invest in Tesla? Is there like a case that you can make in like a couple minutes or a minute that would make somebody bullish?
I could make a case, but I could also make a case that Tesla's not the best investment in the market in terms of risk reward. I don't even think it's close. I don't even think it's remotely close.
Okay. I mean, I want to hear that.
Stocks off the top of my head that I think have better risk rewards than Tesla. But with that being said, here's the thing: like, you have to first believe that all vehicles in the future down the road will be electric vehicles, right?
If
you can't get there, then you can't imagine Tesla, right? So let's say 10 years from now, everybody that goes to buy a new car is an electric car. Well, Tesla's clear in a way the premier player when it comes to electric vehicles, right? So as long as they continue to maintain this, or at least, keep innovating, keep their pedal to the metal, they should be the #1 player when it comes to EVs. So, and the way I like to think about it, I think they can have between a 25 to 50% market share in North America when it comes to, the total vehicle.
That's more bullish than I am.
Yeah, which is we've never seen that in modern history. I think they're going to have an Apple-esque type market share for electric vehicles. I really do.
How many years ahead are they of other auto manufacturers that are trying to do EVs?
probably 3 to 6, depending on which company it is. So,
Okay.
you know, they're 3 to 6 years in front of everybody. So I'm just
Wait,
looking
hold on,
at.
hold on. What makes them 3 to 6 years ahead? Their charging stations, their factories, their battery technology. What is it about them that is hard for companies to replicate?
Yeah, the batteries.
Okay.
Also, like the way the vehicles just work, phenomenal. Autonomous driving, and you know, or self-driving, whatever you want to call it. And then also, yeah, I think the charging stations. I mean, I just don't think you can
And-
replicate that in any quick amount of time.
And what happened with the full self-driving that got canceled? I read that where
Stop. You're kidding, right? But apparently, he has to buy a fish tank in a Volvo. But I want to be in the position to just focus on less earnings calls.
Wait, I thought I fixed that.
Stocks, less crap. Like
Cash,
if
please.
you're too diversified, it's a freaking headache.
Can I move it?
They're out of there, you know.
The thing is it's not like everybody's going to mass leave Robinhood. I think the big question around the IPO is it's got a rich valuation. It's got a huge valuation, and you need a lot of.
How do you know what the value is?
I think they're talking about wasn't it over 40 billion, 40 or 60
I
billion.
heard from
Yeah.
40 to 60 billion
Holy
dollars.
shit.
Yeah.
Robinhood? Fuck.
That's what they've just been
That's a
talking
lot.
about
I
recently.
read about that too. Yeah, 60.
No, I think that's based on prior funding rounds, but not what they're thinking in terms of listing at.
Well,
So
then
like,
it would be
they
even
could
bigger.
list higher. Is my point exactly? Like
Yeah.
the number would go higher.
Yeah,
Damn.
and so that's the big question. I mean, you need a lot of people to really truly believe in Robinhood and like have Robinhood's back. And I don't. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see who actually does
No.
because I don't see a lot of people that do.
Guys, I
It's
need a break.
it's gonna
I'm
come
tired.
down to their profit. How much freaking money are they making? You
They're not
know?
making
I mean,
much.
we'll see. If they're printing tendies, man, it's gonna be juicy.
I
If they're
bet
losing
they gotta
money
be
still,
making
it's gonna be a
money.
problem.
Dropbox is starting to take off, guys. It started to pick up the past couple days. As it started, it consolidated down here around $22, $20.80, and then it just started to rip. So we're seeing some pullback around those 270. We're down into the 260s. It looks like it pulled all the way back down to 255, and then it's on this buying back here. What do they call this? The 3 white knights. So expect this to go up even more. We're on the hour. So if we go to the minute, yeah, 3 white knights. About to maybe. But we're also see that was that hour candle. So we have this ascending triangle. So you see how it's got some resistance right about here. Around 260, 255, so 2660. So right around 2660. If it breaks 2660, I think it would go even higher. So it didn't want to break that resistance. So right now we have this. I see this coming here, and then a big. So you have this. What would that be? An M. So if it comes down to say 2638, if it dips all the way, ooh, hold on. It's trying. There's not a lot of volume. What do we have for volume? 10,000 shares. Yeah. Yeah, there's not much volume in here. So I wouldn't expect that to move a ton, but you never know.
What's going on? And I don't know what it is. What? 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 What?
Dude, this is gonna be some fun. All right, there it goes. Oh, let's see. Come on, come on. Hit that and then go. Hit that and then go. All right, so it just broke. It broke 260. Broke 260. Did it come back down? All right, 2660. It broke. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna... It might... It's gotta break this ultimate resistance, though, of 2662. Can I move this line? Beautiful. There it is. Come on. Break it. Break through. I know you can do it. Come on. Orders 2662. There's a sell 2670, 2677. Come on. There it is. 2664. Let's go. See? Pull back. Pop. Come on. Oh, a little pull back. Push it. Push it up. There it is. 2666. Keep going. It's a decent day. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what the account's up. Today, 5-day, we're down. We're up overall. To the max. Let's go! Flying high.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Get him. Dude, I'm a goat. That was fucking sick. You just click on their heads. Easy. What a run. This has been me on Thursday. Represent. Hey, you guys have a great day. Deuces.
Number one rule of Wall Street. Nobody, I don't care if you're Warren Buffett or if you're Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if the stock is going to go up, down, sideways, or in fucking circles. Least of all stockbrokers. Right? It's all a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is?
Fugazi. It's fake.
Yeah, fugazi. It's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust. It doesn't exist. It's never landed. It is no matter. It's not on the elemental chart. It's not fucking real.
Right.
All right? Right. Stay with me. We don't create shit. We don't build anything.